Hello, my absolutely gorgeous friends. I'm so happy that you're here watching this video. I have these two little projects that I want to share with you, and I hope you enjoy the process as much as I did. I have to say, in my defense, that I have a hard crush on this material. It's kinda bothering me that I can just thinking nothing else that paper towel and resin. Okay, once that I said that, we can continue with our project. I will use the same that I used in the last video: paper towel, Rubin alcohol, and Indian ink or acrylic ink. And you can use, of course, mica powder or resin pigments. It's the same, it's all the same. Well, we will have stronger color with resin pigments, but okay, I have my paper towel. I will put the inks on the Rubin alcohol and I will pour that mixing in the paper towel and the way that you want. This is alcohol again, and I will use this ink that has some pearl effect, and I will pour a little bit in the napkin, and I will add a little bit of mica powder, like, you know, just to see what happened with this later. And I will do a few more with different colors to see what happened next. I will use this cardboard covered with tape, with clear tape, and I want you to see that this kinda shine, but we will lose that shine with the resin, and that was something that I really wanted to know, and I'm experimenting as usual. Don't forget to use a full mask. This is not a full mask, but I don't have one, so. And nitrile gloves. Be safe, take care of yourself. I love you, you should love yourself too. I already prepared my resin, and I will take this half tainted napkin and I will do some rolls. This looks easy, but at first it's not that easy because you need the exact amount of resin to this just doesn't move, but with the second try you will improve so fast, I promise. And I will take the second half of the napkin and I will do the same. I will roll it and I will put it around the first one. And it looks easy, right? Now we're just going to shape the flower or the roll, because this doesn't look exactly like a flower, but it's on you if you want to do a roll or if you want to give the shape of a flower. This is the second sheet, and you see this totally lost the shiny thing, and this time I'm not going to roll it up, I'm just going to overlap and crinkle it. If that didn't make sense to you, for me either, because the translator told me to say it. I think I'm improving the second one, like I told you before, and this looks more like a flower. I want you to see the whole process because sometimes it's hard to achieve the things if you don't have the whole information, Plus, the other day, one beautiful lady told me that I made look the project easy, but in reality, it wasn't, with the big wave. And I was like, well, I said it wasn't easy, but it's not impossible to do it because I did it. So I apologize to you if I did something that seemed easy to you when it really isn't. I'm sorry. This is an important thing. That clear tape around the purple flower is not necessary. I put that because I thought the flower might open, but this only will happen if you don't put enough resin. Not too much, not too little. And now I will experiment again. I will do another sheet with red, and I use Indian ink, and I use resin pigment, and it turns out that the resin pigment taint better or stronger than napkin. I also wanted to know what happened if I used a clean napkin with a tainted resin, and this is what I'm going to do now. The result is almost the same, but you'll see the pros and cons ahead. And I want to say hi and thank you to Molly, Laura, Barbara, Carol. Thank you girls for your comment. You're so kind. I really felt that. And here I am preparing the napkin to put the color on it, and I will separate the two sheets like with the other one. And I'm showing you this because it's fair for you to know what happened if I do this thing or this other thing. But and it's fair for you to know how crazy I am. So maybe you should subscribe or, you know, like and donate or something. Okay, this was the tainted napkin with clear resin, and now I will going to do the opposite, the tainted resin with the clean napkin. And it looks exactly the same, but it's a little bit more moderate thing. No, I'm sorry, but you really have to be careful if you use this technique, because you really going to do a big mess with this color. So I'll go for the tainted napkin and clear resin because it seems like I killed something or someone. You see, the process is pretty easy, and I hope you show me your resin candles and tell me if this was helpful for you or not. And I will add a little bit of crystal glitter and red glitter to give some shine to these flowers, and I really hope this helps you to do something cool. Glitter always do the things better, right? You can put them on a shelf, or you can do a bigger candle with 3 little candles. I have a lot of ideas, but I want to hear your ideas. And this is the demolding. I want you to see these candles look cute and they're really easy to do. So I want you to know what you think about these candles and your ideas. My lack of English makes me realize that there's a lot of things that I would love to tell you, but I just can't find the words. So that's kind of painful. Leaving the drama aside, which color do you prefer? Did you like the glitter or you rather the non-glitter candles? I would love to know what you're thinking, but I already asked you to tell me, so forget it. For the base, we will use clay and clear tape with one stick, a little piece of cardboard, and we will just cover the stick with the clear tape. You know, this is for the resin didn't stick or paste into the wood. We will try to leave the stick very straight. And again, I am using this cardboard because it will give me the dimension that I want from first, and because I want to move this project here and there and nothing will happen, and it will give me also a really flat base. For all my friends that think that I quit from the art thing, I'm not. I just had a long vacation of art because I was searching for a material on my country that I couldn't find. So I'm trying to improvising something with the material that I already have. So I'm sorry, I will really do some art video in the near future. Now that I have a firm foundation or base, I want you to subscribe. Just in case that you are not, please do me that favor. And I will use my resin to put the napkin on the resin again, and like we did with the bowl, you see that video? If you don't, there is in here in the box information. I'm trying to give some shape to the napkin, and I can cut the napkin and I can just leave one sheet of this napkin or use two. That is your decision, but have fun in this process as usual and enjoy what you're doing. By the way, do you know why I choose this song and this relaxing song? And it's because I want you to have a clear mind with clear thoughts, that you relax yourself and think only in art, in the process of your mind, to choose your project, to see if this is helpful or not. But the purpose is that you connect with your heart in the things that you want to do. And I am doing this because I want you to be happy, and I want you to have a really cool and perfect day today. It's not only because the video or the technique, and it's because this is all about you. And now that I express my love for you, I will let this dry, and my heart will dry too. And now that this is totally hard, like someone else's heart. That was only for those who dislike my video. I have to put the second coat. I will help the resin with my hands to soften the texture, and that's it. We have this cone lamp. Now that I told you the real intention of this video, this lamp is exactly for that purpose. I want to relax and I want to see these relaxing colors for me through the light. And I really hope that you do your relaxing lamp and have so much quiet and peace, calm in your heart when you see that. And this is the molding for the lamp, and I want you to see that the clear tape on the cardboard has this purpose, that we just don't fight with the resin. Now I only have to cut the drips and sand the edges or the edge, and that's it. I just add a little bit of glitter. I didn't add too much glitter, and only in the base because I thought I will be nice. If you have a nail file, you can sand with that. I don't want to use the tool, so I would use the roll, that thing, and I will sand the drips. And that's it. I take out the clay and the stick, and that's the hole for the candle. So you can put the candle there and enjoy your lamp. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is another idea that I want you to see, and it's a necklace that I did with the same technique, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you really share your ideas and your work. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for relax with me. And I want to know, this was my favorite or this was what I hate less. And I will be happy to hear your comment. I appreciate your time, and this was my favorite, yes. And I won't beg you for you to subscribe or like. I will beg you to be happy and to enjoy your life. See you in the next video. Bye bye.